Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Cursor, the AI-powered coding editor, on your Windows PC. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Cursor website, cursor.com. On the homepage, click Download for Windows. This will begin downloading the setup file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Cursor setup file. A security prompt may appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Select Yes to continue. The Cursor installer will open. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. Choose your installation location, or leave it as the default, and click Next again. You can also choose where to place the Start menu shortcut. Leaving it as default is fine, then click Next. When you reach the Select Additional Tasks section, make sure the following options are checked. Create a desktop icon. Register Cursor as an editor for supported file types. Add to path. Once done, click Next. Now click Install and wait while Cursor files are copied to your PC. When the installation finishes, click Finish to launch Cursor. On first launch, you'll be asked to sign in using your GitHub or Google account. Complete the quick setup and allow Cursor to install any recommended extensions so you can take full advantage of the AI features. And that's it. Cursor is now installed and ready to help you write, debug, and improve your code faster with AI. If this video helped you out, give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and comment below to let me know which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.